tight. Just as well there isn't a fire. Who's up there? You won't escape that way. He must have jumped. Fell all the way to ground level. Phew. Lucky. Welcome back, Joey. Is this the best shell you could find? Listen, we're in deep trouble. You've turned me into a vacuum cleaner. It's functional. Don't be ungrateful. Now, I don't know where we are, or why we were brought here, but I intend to get some answers. I've got a weird reading from my scanner. We're 120 meters above the ground. We've got to find a way down. And keep out of the way of security. What do you want? Weren't you told? Routine inspection. Nobody told me. I'm too busy to show you around. Don't worry, I can show myself around. You won't even notice I'm here. Where did you get that robot? I built him. Like it? It's crap, son. Can you distract that maintenance man? What do you suggest? A song and dance routine? A few conjuring tricks? Now you're being silly. That little shell suits you, Joey. Get lost, Foster. It's awful. Find me a new one. About that temporary shell, Joey. I don't want to talk about it. Forget it. What's our present location? What does it matter? We've had it. What is this place? It's not worth explaining. You're too thick. Forget it. An elevator to the floor below. An elevator. Hey, what are you doing? I told you already. Routine inspection. Well, keep off that elevator. I can't hear myself think.